Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The problem number 4 is using binomial theorem to evaluate the following up to 4 places of decimals. The sub-question 1 is square root of 99. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start from problem that square root of 99, that can be written as 99 whole bracket raised 1 by 2 power. Now this 99 I can write 100 minus 1 whole bracket raised 1 by 2 power. Now here we take 100 common from both terms. So the next step will be 100 in bracket 1 minus 1 upon 100 bracket complete. Now whole number raise again 1 by 2. So on simplifying further, we get 100 raise 1 by 2. At the same time, 1 minus 1 upon 100 also raise 1 by 2. Now these 100 I can write 10 the whole square, whole bracket raise 1 by 2. And in bracket we write 1 minus, now 1 upon 100, that gives us 0.01 whole bracket raise 1 by 2. Now we will cancel 2 from power, so we get 10 raised 1, that is a 10. In bracket 1 minus 0.01 whole bracket raise 1 by 2. Now here we use binomial theorem for any index. So here we write formula that 1 minus x whole bracket raise n. So that gives 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial x cube and plus going on. Now in this formula we put x equal to 0.01 and n equal to 1 by 2. So we get 10 in bracket 1 minus, for n we substitute 1 by 2 into x we write 0.01, then plus in the numerator 1 by 2 bracket 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into 0.01 whole bracket raise 2, then minus it is going on. and finally the square bracket is completed. So is equal to 10 in bracket 1 minus, now 0.01 divided by 2, then plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 on cross multiplying gives 1 minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1 by 2 upon 2 into 1 means 2 into 0.01 bracket square, so that gives us 0.0001, and then minus, it is going on, finally square bracket is completed. So on further simplifying, we get 10 in bracket 1 minus, now 0.01 upon 2, again we write as it is, then plus minus, we get minus. In the numerator, we have 1 into 0.0001. So that gives us 0.0001 in the numerator upon 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 in the denominator, and then minus, it is going on, and finally the square bracket is completed. So again on simplifying further, we get 10 in bracket 1 minus, now 0.01 divided by 2, so that gives 0.0, again 0 and 2 5s are 10, then minus, we have 0.0001 divided by 8, so that gives us 0.000. For 1, again we write 0. Now here we have 10. 10 divided by 8, so that gives us 8 ones are 8. Remaining 2, again we carry 0, so that gives us 8 twos are 16. Now here we left with 4, carry 0, so 40. So 8 5s are 40, and then minus, it is again going on, and finally square bracket is completed. So on simplifying further, we get 10 in bracket 1 minus, now here minus 0.005 and minus continue now, minus 0.005 and minus 0.0000125, so that gives us 0.005, and then we have 0 and then 125, then minus, it is going on. Now this is 10 in bracket. Now here on subtracting these two terms, that 1.00, again 00, and then again 000, minus 0.0050125. Now 10 minus 5 5, 10 minus 3 7, 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 6 4, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 1 9, point 1 minus 1 0. So this subtraction gives us 0.9949875. Now this number we have to multiply with 10. Now 10 into 0.9949875, so that gives us 9.949875. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.